Hi, this is Mark Woehrle, broker at Remax Escarpment.
Hi, I'm Wendy Tanner, sales representative, Remax Escarpment.
We're here today at a newest country listing at 858 Concession 8 Road West in beautiful Flamborough, Ontario.
This awesome rural property sits on a 120-foot wide by over 400-foot deep lot. It features 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and an oversized detached shop.
Let's take a closer look at what this property has to offer. Thank you for visiting us at 858 Concession 8 Road West in Flamborough, Ontario.
If you would like to book a showing to view this beautiful home, or if you would like to list your country property, please give us a call. My name is Wendy Tanner.
And my name is Mark Woehrle.
We can be reached at 905-512-1846.